Google survey.
Okay. I'm asking you questions.
I've had enough.
Okay, those are easy ones.
No, of the video. I don't want your ice cream.
Oh, really?
You know mine's better and you should have just shared it with me, but you wanted your own.
I know this one tastes like egg.
I think you just sketched yourself out because you sniffed it.
It tastes like, I was supposed to say egg.
Oh my god. This is Allie. She's Italian, can you tell? She's got the Goonie hair going on right now. And she really thinks she's in Jersey Shore because it's November. She's got short shorts on. She's gonna keep videotaping this while I eat. Oh.
Do you think this looks like a penis? A little like heart thing I do?
I send that to Jay all the time.
I think it's a penis. Derek
a
sent
heart.
that to me. I sent him naked photos and this he sent to me back.
Well, that's good.
No, he's doing penis. Asked him to send me something, like, when I send him stuff like that, and he's like, what do you want to say? I have a massive boner. I'm like, it would help. 'Cause it gives me a complex.
I hope you know I'm recording all of this.
Right now.
I'm 2.5 minutes in. It's basically just been you eating that ice cream ball.
I'm sorry.
Just being my
Dude, they get really offended if you don't eat it all. I gotta like take it all in one bite.
One more, go. One more, shove it in there. What are you doing? Oh my god, stop it.
It's awful.
What the fuck?
I have nowhere to hide it.
Allie thinks that if you don't eat all the food, it's offensive. I'm pretty sure what you're doing right now is more offensive.
It's okay, we're in our little house. We
I
have
think-
a view of a wonderful city.
Oh. Keep it in there.
It's so cold. I don't care. It's so cold.
What are you doing?
All of our parts are out.
Spit it in your glass.